Hi HOBLC! Welcome to my vlog. Charot! Mag-hi naman kayo sa vlog ko! Napaka-OA! Wala si Paul Casan!
Si King Man!
Ayan! Ay, nag-jog talaga kayo! This is P. Luis.
Wet ng manok.
Si P. Yuri. Hello! Kami siya.
Epekto ng takbo ah. Citizen.
P. Derek. Hello.
Welcome to VLS's vlog. Good morning, guys.
Tisay. Hello.
Si Tisay.
Si Tisay.
Ano ito dito? Ambassador ng
Ayan si Nick.
guys.
Ayan, mga pinatira na.
Hello po.
Yung mentor.
Ang biyak masarap mong babae tonight.
Masarap, Anay.
Parang hindi sa ito ko kasi hindi pa kayo bumili.
Hanaya.
And of course, your real bestie!
Ate Lea! Ayun, nakalive sila sa TikTok.
Magandang morning sa inyo. Magandang morning. Saan ka ngayon, bestie?
Tempo.
Honor?
Wonder building,
Ay,
yeah.
gusto mag-reserve muna tayo presyo sa Lotus, sa Onat. Isang station na naman ng BTS.
Yeah, go.
Tapos sana ko sa'yo sa tape.
Sure. Sige.
Ang saya naman, thank you po. First run in Bangkok.
Wala kayo nakasalubong sa pag-run?
Wala. Wala ito mga madaling araw. Satay.
Ah.
So, kaya po ito.
Hey besties! So ayan, we found as Oasis. Ayan, ang filming location ng Tempo. So ito yung ginamit nila as facade ng Wonder Building. Ayan! So let's go, tara, visitahin natin. So Pemika, magtutuos tayo ngayon.
Alay, wa.
Di ano yung lyrics. Ano? Shibday mai siyang kandarap na yung mimikas. Di naman alam yung lyrics. Guys, we'll try natin kung pwede tayo sa garden sa 11th floor.
Try mo?
Pero walang bumababang elevator. Ay, eto te. Te, ito.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Kung nakahiya, hindi nakahiya. Hindi man nila may kadala.
Oo,
Oh,
tsaka-
sorry, I don't
Sorry,
know.
we don't know. We just wanted to see the garden. Charot. Ayan guys, so we tried kung makakapasok kami dun sa garden, sa may rooftop. So 11th floor siya. And pwede naman.
So, mag-ano na, bagal ka papunta, tapos ando na. Tayong.
Pwede na. Ayan, diba nakaisip pa siya ng content. Pero ayan guys, pwede naman tayo pumasok ng ng garden. Ayan, so let's see. Tem.
People.
Guys, ang init! But we are here sa rooftop ng S Oasis. Actually, it's not the rooftop ng S Oasis. It's yung garden niya. Wherein, ginamit siya sa tempo. Ayan. Okay naman pumasok, no? Wala namang umarun sa amin or anything. Basta pagkapasok namin ng building ng S Oasis, elevator to 11th floor. Ayan. So, feeling ko yung rooftop, ayan, I'm not sure kung accessible yung rooftop niya. But, we will check. Sige, i-check natin. Pero so far, itong 11th floor na garden is accessible naman siya. Guys, so yung rooftop mismo ng S Oasis, I think is for the employees only. So, hindi na tayo makakapasok doon. Ayan, sad. But at least we're able to get to the 11th floor. Ayan, diba? Perfect. Guys, we are here sa A4 bus stop or shuttle stop ng Bangkok University. And dito nag-kiss si Tame at si Po.
จะไม่มีเธอก็ไม่มีฉันจะไม่มีกันคงเท่ากับศูนย์ที่เราเดินทางมาพบกันผ่านกี่เรื่องราวมันร้อยพันเธอเชื่อไหม
So we're currently here at Chatuchak Park MRT station and we are going to Thapra. Hey besties! So we are here at Kalathu railway station. So this is a filming location of How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. This is a movie starring Belkin. So parang ganda ng movie na yun. You should watch it. Hey besties! Hey BL besties! So it's only April 12 and magpe-pregame kami for Songkran! Ayan! So andyan kami ngayon sa Central World. Ayan, nakita nyo wala akong barrel kasi nga hindi to prepared.
Ganito guys, ang mahal kasi ng refill ng water. So ang babarilin namin yung mga cute, yung mga pogi lang. Hindi tayo magsasayang ng tubig.
Tata! So let's go! Guys, look at the slide, oh, taas! Sa'yo yan! What's that?
It's sour. It's a jelly.
Ah, it's a jelly!
But no, that's sweet.
This is like snack.
Okay, I want jelly.
Ano siya?
Spicy nut. Snack. Spicy nut. Spicy jelly banana. Then just 40 baht.
Mark Chris ate oh.
Mark Chris ate yun, bibili yan.
Bibili yan ate, Mark Chris yan.
How much?
Like 25?
25 only.
Yeah, for one pack.
Okay, that's
It
maybe
was 40 baht. Promotion. 2 pack 40 baht.
40 baht too.
Yeah.
Okay, give me
If you got it, you can lucky draw.
Ay, putang ina mo! Bili mo na yan, te.
Ano yan?
40 baht.
More than 150? Yeah, you can. Got it.
Only two.
Only 2. Okay. Mark is 2.
Mark Chris and
Wow.
Spicy nga eh, di ba? Spicy natin.
Makmak. Free.
Free daw, praising ha.
Oh my God.
Yung kaya ko to.
Thank you. Hello.
Bakit?
Ate, ito nag-ano siya?
Best in PR siya.
Best in PR.
What's that free drink again?
Part-time.
Kayod malala. Kayod malala pag wala ka ng pampangkain.
get him work.
Free phone case!
Anyone? Free phone case. Just a card. Free phone case. Sakay and post. Use the hashtag and post.
Masarap counter.
Titikman. Titikman.
Grabe naman yung
Sarap din.
sarap nila, Tio. Sila na lahat eh.
Say hi!
Hi! Hi! Happy Songkran! Si Buwat eh!